Breaking news that's come in Tej Pratap. Lalu's son has been expelled from the party and the family. In fact, Lalu Yadav himself has posted and informed the world about it. This, of course, comes after Tej Pratap Yadav had, put out that photograph and a video that you are seeing on your screens regarding his personal life. Now, of course, his father, Lalu Prasad Yadav, has expelled his son from the RJD as well as the family for at least 6 years, citing irresponsible behavior and the fact that what he's done doesn't go with the values of the family and the party. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us for more on this. Priyank, this of course comes after Tej Pratap Yadav expressed and informed the world about his personal life. But what more do you have? How seriously should we be taking Lalu Yadav's post?
See, for sure, Shreya, the RJD as a party before the upcoming Bihar election has taken this issue very seriously. Over the period of many years, what we have seen that the conduct of Tej Pratap Yadav has been a very big trouble for the Rashtriya Janata Dal, whether him, talking to the journalists and attempting to, pull them inside the house and the kind of threat videos which has been coming up by Tej Pratap Yadav, and then the drama which he used to create while he was in the northern part of the country. Now, since these leaked photograph, which has been claimed by Tej Pratap Yadav, is a morph photograph, which was also replied by other individuals regarding more photographs and the videos, which was certainly not sure, suggesting that the pictures were AI generated. Now, Lalu Prasad Yadav, the RJD Supremo, has given a very stern warning to all the party workers by expelling his son, Tej Pratap Yadav, another stalwart leader for the party, for the next 6 years. In a recent tweet which has been tweeted from the X account of Lalu Prasad Yadav, he has said that RJD as a party has always been standing for the moral responsibility for the kind of conduct which should be shown in public, and his elder son's conduct has not been up to the mark, because of which the family is certainly disturbed, the party is certainly disturbed. That's why he is being suspended from the party for the next 6 years. Lalu Prasad has also stated that apne
Priyank, I'll come back to you right now on the phone line. I'm joined by KC Tyagi of the JDU. Tyagi जी, कैसे देखते हैं ये लालू यादव ने पोस्ट किया है अपने बेटे को पार्टी और परिवार से निकाल दिया 6 साल के लिए?
देखिए, यद्यपि ये उनकी पार्टी का आंतरिक मामला है, लेकिन राजनीतिक और सार्वजनिक जीवन में कुछ उच्च विचार हमारे पुरखों ने तय किए हैं। उसके मुताबिक आपका निजी जीवन और राजनीतिक जीवन अलग अलग नहीं हो सकता। निजी जिंदगी में अगर आप कुछ खराब या अमर्यादित कार्य करते हैं तो राजनीति में उसका साया पड़ेगा और आप राजनीतिक मूल्यों के लिए भी ईमानदार नहीं हो सकते। हम सब लोग जो समाजवादी आंदोलन से आए हैं, हमारे पुरखों ने सुझाव और सलाह हम लोगों को दी, लिहाजा निजी जिंदगी में उन्होंने अनैतिक कार्य किया। जब एक शादीशुदा पत्नी होते हुए या सहसाथी होते हुए उन्होंने दूसरी शादी की, ये अनैतिक है। और जब ये अनैतिक कार्य अपने निजी जीवन में कर सकते हैं तो सार्वजनिक जीवन में इनसे इच्छाएं अपेक्षाएं रखना गलत होगा। शायद इसी को मापदंड मान करके लालू जी ने उनको पार्टी से और परिवार से शायद निष्कासित किया है। ये हालांकि ये उनका व्यक्तिगत फैसला है, लेकिन तो भी स्वागत योग्य है।
जी, कैसे त्यागी जी, धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। व्यूअर्स, आई एम आल्सो जॉइंड बाय शक्ति यादव, द आरजेडी। शक्ति जी, एक पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में बताने से क्या पार्टी से दरखास्त करना सही डिसीजन है?
देखिए, राजनीतिक जीवन में और व्यक्तिगत जीवन में एक समानता का भाव होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि लोकतंत्र में लोक लज्जा का स्थान होता है। आदरणीय लालू प्रसाद जी सामाजिक न्याय, धर्मनिरपेक्षता जिनके जीवन के कालखंडों में अंतिम पड़ाव से लेकर के शुरू से लेकर आज तक है और आगे तक भी रहेगा, तो इन्हें एक पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष है, नागवार गुजरना स्वाभाविक था। तो निजी जीवन में नैतिक मूल्यों की अवहेलना करना हमारे सामाजिक न्याय के लिए सामूहिक संघर्ष को कमजोर करता है। जब कमजोर करता है तो इन परिस्थितियों में उन्होंने इस बात के लिए गंभीरता से सोचा, चूंकि जो भी ज्येष्ठ पुत्र के बारे में लिखा कि लोग का आचरण और गैर जिम्मेदाराना व्यवहार हमारे पारिवारिक मूल्य और संस्कारों के अनुरूप नहीं है, तो 6 वर्षों से पार्टी से निकालने का निर्णय लिया। और ऐसे भी तेज प्रताप जी उम्र में तेजस्वी जी से बड़े हैं, एडल्ट हैं, और वो अपने निजी जीवन के फैसले वो गुण दोष के आधार पर वो स्वयं लेने के लिए स्वतंत्र हैं। उन्होंने जो फैसला लिया उससे पार्टी को नागवार गुजरा, विचारधारा को आघात पहुंचा, पारिवारिक मूल्य और संस्कारों पर ठेस पहुंचा। इस बाबत उन्होंने ये निर्णय लिया है।
जी, शक्ति यादव जी, धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एज वी ब्रेक दिस न्यूज टू यू दैट लालू यादव हैज एक्सपेल्ड हिज सन Tej Pratap from the party for 6 years. His brother has also reacted. But first, I'm joined by Nikhil Anand of the BJP. Nikhil Anand, your first reaction as to what has been happening in the Yadav family.
It is not for the first time. The differences within the family was there. But see, the family which has put the stake of a girl's prestige, and they don't have any little shame even. The kind of behavior they have meted out to Aishwarya is really commendable. We condemn this. And Tej Pratap has just passed a message that he was having an affair for last 12 years. What was Lalu ji doing? Why did he ensure that his son is married to a girl besides having an affair? And ultimately, the whole family, rather than ensuring a compromise, creating a conducive atmosphere for Aishwarya, they threw out the girl.
Okay.
And now they are presenting the illogical facts in the court even. Why don't they provide justice to Aishwarya? And now they are just making a mockery. And now Lalu Prasad Yadav has passed a message to just save himself.
All right.
They have abused not only a girl and girl's family belonging to Aishwarya or Anushka, but they have put the prestige of Yadav community, and they are just doing a shameful job.
Okay. All right. Nikhil Anand, thanks very much for joining us at the moment, sharing your views. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, remember the entire Yadav family dynamics are now spilling on to public life and public fora. As you can see, Lalu Yadav has posted saying that he's expelling his son, Tej Pratap, from the party for 6 years. Remember, on your screens that you see is also that picture that Tej Pratap had posted. Now, of course, his brother, Tej Pratap's brother's first reaction has come in. Tejasvi Yadav saying, I cannot tolerate such things. Listen in to what Tejasvi Yadav has said.
राजनीतिक जीवन में निजी जीवन भी अलग होता है तो निजी जीवन के फैसले और निर्णय, क्योंकि वो अडल्ट हैं, बड़े हैं, उनको अधिकार है, वो अपना निर्णय क्या उनका सही होगा, क्या नुकसान होगा, ये अपना निर्णय वो खुद लें। और राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी दल के नेता हैं, उन्होंने अपने ट्वीट के माध्यम से स्पष्ट कर दिया है, जो उनकी भावनाएं थी उन्होंने स्पष्ट कर दिया है। तो अब जो है राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने कहा है और हमने अपनी भावनाओं को भी आप लोगों के सामने रखा है, वो निर्णय लें, क्या उनके लिए सही है, क्या गलत है, लेकिन हम ऐसी चीज़ों को पसंद नहीं करते हैं।
All right, so that was, of course, Tejasvi Yadav, Tej Pratap's brother, Lalu Yadav's younger son, speaking about and giving his first reaction, in fact, on how the father has now expelled Tej Pratap Yadav from the party for 6 years. Priyank, as Tejasvi Yadav was saying, this was his personal life and he's an adult, he can take his own decisions, but we don't support it and we want him to keep his personal and public life very different from each other and separate from each other. Tej Pratap Yadav has now deleted that post, clearly reflecting that this has certainly impacted him.
And before Bihar election, this issue should have been picked up by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Lalu Prasad Yadav is a veteran politician. He knows the fact that even if his health conditions are not so suitable, but he is very well capable of taking these kind of strong decisions. Over the period of many months, years, what we have seen, that the conduct of Tej Pratap Yadav has been a big trouble for the party. It was coming up as a major embarrassment also for the party. But before the upcoming election, the party was certainly not in a condition to take another turmoil.
Priyank, I'll come back to you. Vineet Singh of the LJP is speaking with us right now on the phone line. Vineet ji, जैसा कि तेजस्वी ने बोला कि देखिए पर्सनल और प्राइवेट लाइफ तो अलग अलग होनी चाहिए. अब पर्सनल लाइफ तेज प्रताप ने पब्लिकली रख दी तो उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
No, you rightly said this thing. There should not be any issue with the Tej Pratap, and that's really taken me by surprise. क्योंकि लालू प्रसाद यादव का पूरा परिवार बेल पे बाहर है, उस पे उनको शर्म नहीं आती है. बट लेकिन अगर एडल्ट अगर कुछ निर्णय लेता है, एंड दैट टू द राइट गिवन बाय द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड इंडियन लॉ, उस पे पार्टी से निकाल देना, हालांकि दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरनल थिंग ऑफ द पार्टी, लेकिन आई सस्पेक्ट देयर इज सम इंटरनल पॉलिटिक्स गोइंग अराउंड.
Okay.
And I feel bad for Tej Pratap ji.
All right, Vineet Singh, thanks very much for joining us on Times Now and sharing your perspective. Of course, viewers, we will keep getting you the latest on this. But right now, that big news that is coming out of Bihar is the fact that Lalu Yadav has expelled his elder son, Tej Pratap, from the party RJD for the next 6 years, citing the kind of post that he had done yesterday. Now, of course, that post being deleted. We are slipping into a short break, but news and updates will continue on Times Now. Stay tuned.